In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete website on GoDaddy. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you quick and simple to follow instructions on how to properly delete your website altogether. So you will be able to cancel your subscription if you have one active and also completely delete your website. So to do this, instead of going over to the website builder, you will have to go to your account, renewals, and billing page. So go over to GoDaddy.com, sign into your account, click on your icon, and you will find this option, renewals and billing. Instead of going over to your products, you have to go to this page. Now, you will find all of your products on this comprehensive list. As you can see, I only have the free trial, but it still shows up under subscriptions. So browse through all of the products, and once you find the specific ones that you wish to completely delete altogether, just click on this little square here, and you will be able to select them. You can select multiple of them at once, or do this process individually, it doesn't matter. Once you select the specific website or product, just go over to Cancel Auto Renewal. In here, you will find this little text, Delete My Product, and this is what you have to select to completely delete your product. It is very hidden, and most people go over to their products page instead, and there's no option to delete the website in there. So you will have to go over to Manage Your Billing, select the websites, cancel auto renewal, and now you will find the option to delete your products. Now, I am not going to proceed forward with this because I don't want to lose this website that I have, but you will be able to follow the instructions on screen and have your website deleted altogether. This is going to work for the free trial and any memberships that you have active. Once you are done, the membership or subscription will be successfully canceled and you will not be billed next month. I hope I was able to help you on how to delete website on GoDaddy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.